What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Brett's Outdoor Experience. Today we're going to try to make a hoagie. It's going to be pretty epic. Super excited. I've been looking for probably about an hour now, and this is all I could find. Just one little flush of Pleurotus ostratus, the oyster mushroom. We're going to go through identification one more time for anybody that's new to mushroom hunting or is new to the channel. This is Pleurotus ostratus, the oyster mushroom. This mushroom is edible. The gills are decurrent. What I mean by decurrent is they run down all the way down the stipe. It grows on deciduous wood or broadleaf trees. Here it's growing on some privet. I believe we're in a bit of a privet jungle here. This is a nice little flush. We'll definitely pick this guy, take it with us, and we're gonna make a hoagie out of it. We'll see if we can find some more mushrooms, guys. I'm sure we will. We have about 45 more minutes we can hunt, then we have to start cooking. We're making a hoagie with our oyster mushrooms. We're gonna start off by cutting our onion. This is a little table I found out in the woods. There we go, we got some onion. Gonna get some bell pepper. Seeds don't really bother me, guys, so I'm just gonna leave them in there. Woo, you think we have enough bell pepper? A little bit of red potato. Can never have enough butter, guys. Go ahead and let that melt. I'll get back with you guys. It's not a lot, but you know, it'll definitely add flavor to the hoagie, so I'm glad we found something. We're gonna slice this guy up a little bit. We're gonna slice it pretty thin so we can spread it around. A little bit of salt. Flip these guys over. We always add pepper to the gill side. Holds the pepper in there very well. It's a good bit of mushrooms. I kind of doubted it, but you'll definitely be able to taste it. I like to cook my mushrooms separate just so they're cooked perfectly every time. You know, you might have a mushroom stuck on the bottom of the pan or something that's slowly burning, so just cook them separately. Save yourself from burning your mushrooms, you know. Maybe a little bit more. We should actually turn the heat up a little bit. Brought an extra can of fuel because I know this one's gonna run out. Hey, we didn't forget anything this time. We actually came a little bit more prepared. They're on a little bit of a hill, as you can see. So they were kind of boiling in that butter, so I'm pulling them up so we can get a nice crisp on them. I'm surprised that little flame hasn't gone out. For 25 bucks, you gotta get one. I'm not a paid advertiser or anything, but this stove is awesome. All right, vegetable time. There we go, that's good. Boy, I wish you guys could smell that. Oh man, I'm excited. Ooh. You guys think that's enough? There we go. Let's go ahead and add our mushrooms in, then we'll add our cheese, stir it real quick, and we'll throw it in the hoagie. All right, let's add it to the hoagie. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, look at that. Look at that cheese. Oh. Let's add a little bit of basil. Oregano. If I can get it open with one hand. We got to use whatever we can as a plate. We got some bean sprouts. All right, everybody. You just saw me make a oyster mushroom hoagie. I guess you would call it a hoagie out here in the woods. We didn't find too much Pleurotus austratus or the oyster mushroom, but I found what I could, and I made this nice little hoagie. So yeah, you guys just watch me make it. Go out there and try it yourself. We didn't forget anything today somehow. Yeah, just go out there if you run across some oyster mushrooms or any other edibles, you know, take them back, make yourself something like this. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. That's amazing. That's so good. Wow, man. You can really taste those mushrooms and the onion. Then you get a little bit of a crunch from those bean sprouts. Look at that cheese, guys. Just hanging all over it. Good old mozzarella. Just take a look at it, guys. Doesn't that look good? Man. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. You just saw me how I make a simple mushroom hoagie out in the woods. If you ever run across those guys out in the woods, make sure you take them home and make something like that. Also, like and subscribe if you've made it this far. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. It's been great. I've had a great time. This is my third video this week. It's been fun. This is probably, I don't know what's better, the toast with the avocado and the mushrooms or the hoagie. I'm not really sure. They're both excellent. Anyways, I appreciate everything. I'm gonna go ahead and head out of here. It's getting pretty chilly. It is December. I'm in short sleeves and it's getting kind of dark. But thank you guys. Appreciate everything. Bottom of my heart. Have a great day.